did you know that you can make $1 per hour every single day, which is roughly $10 a day with this app? And you can make this again and again and again, each and every single day. My name is Adujin. Sit back, relax, grab your phone, download the app, and the one thing that you should not forget is to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and anyway, let's make some money. Now that we have the app already installed in our phone, so what you have to do is just go in and click on it. So just click on Super Lozzi, we open it and we see how we are going to use this app. So you can go through. So I'm just going to say always some. I support that. So at least they are going to be sharing some. Let's go always some. So when you come here, as you can see, Super Lozzi, just go on and click on continue with Google. So you open up an account with Google, or for me, I'm just going to click on sign in because I already have an account. So let me continue with Google. I click there. So it's loading. So when it comes here, I'm going to click on my account. I choose. After it loads, so let's wait. It takes quite a lot of time to authenticate. So now that I'm inside my account. So they are telling me that 2 permissions are required to proceed with this setting. So would you like to activate these settings? So what I'm going to do is just go on and click on activate. Just click there. So get random gift boxes. Of course, I would like to get the random gift boxes because getting those gift boxes is one of the ways through which you can get quick money. So what I'm going to do is just go on and turn this on, the random gift boxes. I'm going to turn it on. Just click there. So to receive the X cash for free, 2 permissions are required. So now that I'm done with the first permission, let me go on and set the second one. So just click on permission settings. Just go there. So setup guide. Find and touch the Super Lozzi app. Turn on the settings. You need to turn on the settings to get a Super Lozzi X cash to get more. Okay. Just click on OK. So the phone is going to direct us to the usage access. So as we proceed, go on and smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell for this app. So you can see not allowed. So just click on Super Lozzi. So when you click on Super Lozzi, permit the usage access, just turn this one on like that. So once it is turned on, they are telling us that we need to get a Super Lozzi cash. So just click on OK. So just click on OK. So Super Lozzi still is showing not allowed. So let us turn it on. So after turning it on, as you can see, they optimize, get random boxes, customize according to your devices. So okay, just go to settings. So when you go to settings, the light solution, I'm going to leave it there. Vibrate, turn off. So let me just turn on the vibrations. So random gift middle, let it be on the top. So like that. So we go back. Just go back. So boom, now I have completed all the required settings. Now what you're going to do is to see how we are going to be able to use those boxes and what and what. So this is just the beginning. Let's close this. Stop watching there. Let's close this. So as you can see, my asset, I have got 1,402,881 XC cash. So as you can see, Sadwijin, I have 0 combinations because today I haven't completed any task in this app. So what I'm going to do, so let us see how does Super Lozzi work. So when you come inside this app, all they do is they release a couple of combinations, the number combinations. So what you have to do is to just choose 5 combinations plus another 1 combination. which makes it a total of 6 combinations. So what you have to do right now, you just have to choose auto pick. So for instance, the winning number right over here was 7, 41, 43, 44, 51 plus 5. So if you chose those number combinations, you become the winner. So that is the winning number. But don't worry, you should not have to always choose the right number or the winning number to be able to earn coins. So whichever number you choose, they are going to reward you. So as you can see here, when they look at the ranking total winning amount, so as you can see, the first prize was 0 coins, the second, the third was 0 coins, but so the fourth won those coins, somewhere around 2 million, 2 million, 2 million. So this one was in southern, the 8th prize. So what you have to do is to just choose the number of combinations. So each and every single combination that you choose, they are going to compute them, and then they see how much coins that you do qualify to get. So that is way number 1. Way number 2 is through getting the random gift boxes. So as you can see right over here, so we switch them on. So you just have to click over here. So when you click there, they are going to send you the gift, the boxes, so you enjoy the gift or the gifts inside those boxes. So when number 3, you just have to invite friends. So as you can see, you introduce Super Lozzi to your friends by sending Super Lozzi code. When a friend enters your code as a referrer, you and your friend will receive 10,000 coins each. So what you have to do is to copy your code. So once you copy your code, you just have to tell your friend that, hello, there is this fantastic app, it's called Super Lozzi. So you just go on and download it from the Google Play Store. So during the registration system, where they set the code, you just have to paste my code. So it's this. So once they do that, your friend is gonna earn 10,000 coins, and you will also get 10,000 coins for yourself. So as you can see, so when we check at the amount that I've got, so the instructions are over here. If we can go through them, so we have the login policy. I have showed you how to log in. I want to change my phone number. You can go and read through that. So the winning policy, when you go through this, so is the number combination free? Yes, you can receive a number combination for free. It's Super Lozzi. How do I get a number combination? You can go on and read through. You can convert X cash card through the get random boxes and do automatically. So blah blah blah. You can go on and read through. So the last part and the most important part is they apply the withdraw process. So as you can see, please select the currency account you want to withdraw. You have to withdraw from. So my account, I currently have 1.58 cents, so I just have to click on that. So you can see the balance insufficient to apply for. So I don't have the minimum required through the minimum required withdraw threshold. So what I'm going to do, I just have to keep on playing and I reach the minimum withdraw threshold so that I can withdraw via PayPal account. So I just have to wait the next combination to be released. So the next drawing will be held on May 12th, 2024. So that is when you are going to be able to generate more coins so that I can reach the required withdraw threshold. So as you can see, the conversation rate status. So when you look at that, let us see. So it seems going to load forever. So as you can see, the number combination, you can go on and read through. A lot of people are actually using this app to make some cash for themselves. So that is it. This app is called Super Lozzi. It's called Super Lozzi, and you're watching from Side Region. Go on and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if you think today's video was very difficult for you, go on and navigate our channel, choose any video from the page, watch that, put each and everything in action. Peace.